Hello, welcome to my channel Process Simulation. Today we will discuss a very basic topic in oil and gas, and that is upstream, midstream, and downstream. So these three are the main supply chains of oil and gas industry. So let's talk about the first upstream. So for the upstream we start with the uh, exploration and production. We start all the way from the finding the hydrocarbons where they are inside the ground, doing the geological survey on all those seismic surveys, and then taking the oil out from the ground, and then having some wellheads, flow lines, trunk lines, and some kind of unusual production units for the bulk separation of the oil, gas, and water. And if the impurities are very high and the impurities and which is very which is not good for the transportation. Number one, that is S2S. So if the S2S is very high, so we have to remove the S2S also in these bulk separation units. These units are also known as facilities. The main purpose is the bulk separation of gas, oil, and water, as I earlier told you. So because the transportation is to mostly from the pipeline, and in pipeline it is not recommended to have a multi-phase flow. Otherwise, you will have problem of surge and surges and all those things. So in pipelines, better you have a one phase flowing at a time. So from the one hand, it's basically a two phase, three phase with the flow lines. The flow lines go to the trunk lines, or you can know the manifold. Can be manifold, can be MSV, and then from there 5 to 10 wellheads or 10 to 100 wellheads connect to a one trunk line. That trunk line will have all three phases, and it will go to a processing unit, or you can call it a lead production unit. In that unit, as I explained, we have the separators. Okay, some clients focus on the bulk separation, while some clients focus on the very uh, very good separations. Separations. They have some has separation only, while some has the bottoms and all those oil water separation units and produce water separation units to get the oil and water. Mostly water from that industry, water from the unit is re-injected into the injection well. That's also a part of the E&P, and most of the gas is also going into re-injection wells to enhance the oil recovery. Otherwise, that gas is going is treated in gas plants, as removal, CO2 removal, meeting the pipeline spec of the country, and then is going to the networks pipelines. Because the gas is nowadays is one of the most used fuel in the industries. So each country has its network for the gas that transfer the gas to all industrial areas, and 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 that pipeline will have all the impurities removed. So moving forward from the upstream, and the second part is the midstream. As I explained, the gas is mostly the network system in the midstream, and for the oil, it's basically the storage tanks, pumps, until the refinery or till the petrochemical plant is all considered as a midstream. And for the gas part, you will have the compressors, and you have the big cross country pipelines for the transfer of the gas from one area to the different area. And for the downstream usually has the consists of refinery, uh, and then you have petrochemical units, and you can go on more to the chemical and units, and from that whatever we get the refined products goes to the end consumers, that are the fuel oil stations, or the big industries that require those fuels. So this is the whole supply chain. It's a very short video, just explaining the basics of oil and gas and the upstream, midstream, and downstream process. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a good weekend. Thank you.